Hey, Pim. Hey, can you tell the boss I can't come into work today? I'm feeling pretty sick, man.
Charlie, are you actually sick, or do you want to just play that new game that just came out?
What? I don't know what game are you talking about? Oh, man. Sorry. I gotta get out of here. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, well, rest up.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, amazing play, Charlie. Why did you, go out of work to play a fucking video game? You lazy piece of shit. You waste of space. You are a waste of space. You have done nothing today. You stayed in your room. You smell like shit. You smell like cum tissues. How do you even do that? It's not like I haven't done the same thing. Well, fuck no, that's not what I mean. Never mind. You smell like shit, dude. You shouldn't call out of work. You should be going to work. And I have a job myself. I have a job. So you can't be skipping work.
Patrick, what the fuck are you doing? Can I have a word with you? Right now? Can I speak with you?
Yeah.
Alright. So, you're still doing it even after I told you not to?
Well, yeah. It was a challenge, right? So, I did it. That's why I did it.
And how far have you gotten with it?
Not to brag, but I have 137 subscribers and 800 views. I mean 8,000. Yeah, that's cool, ain't it?
That is the lowest view and subscriber count that is in any Smiling Friends video.
Well, at least I got views, pendejo.
I'm gonna tell Squidward.
Go do it, I dare you. And he's gonna respond, he's totally gonna give a fuck.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna go right now, okay? I'm gonna go right now. Fuck you, Patrick.
He's just angry I'm proving him wrong.